Hello, everyone. We're back at it, and welcome to the Suit Cafe channel. As I said in one of my prior videos, I wanted to speak to you today about a new company that I started, and it grew out of the pandemic during the lockdown. Of course, there weren't too many people to actually make clothing for during the lockdown. Sometimes there wasn't anybody to make clothing for because you just couldn't see somebody to actually physically measure them with everybody staying at home. So we had to keep the factory working when it was able to be open, the clothing factory that is, and we thought, what could we make that could benefit people and something that everyone is going to need? And of course, that became the face mask. We wanted to make a beautifully made, luxurious feeling, great fitting cloth face mask, something that is recyclable or washable and disposable because it wouldn't be expensive. And we went ahead and we started doing that. Of course, it was our first time making face masks. We hadn't done that in the past. We make custom made suits. So we went ahead and we got a beautiful non-woven, very soft fabric. We started off with something like this. I'll show it to you. This was one of our first type of packs. So we always sell 30 masks in a pack. So this was the first pack. And these did very, very well. These were selling before summer of 2020. We sold thousands and thousands of them, shipped to every state in the entire United States through the website medicalcommunity.net. You could also look at the Instagram for medicalcommunity.net and also Facebook, which is at medcomnet. We have a nice following on Facebook where we post also daily news of what's going on in the pandemic, whether it's about the vaccines, which is prevalent now, or about just lockdowns and the virus in general, of what's going on around the world. So this was the first prototype pack that we shipped out to people. This was a sealed pack, which a lot of people like because you can actually carry this around all day long in a backpack if you wanted to, very easily. And these had the stretchable ear loops, of course. And they were disposables, and we sold these for $12.95 a pack. We kept that price for a long, long time. We haven't increased that price when other people at the time were selling masks, even the cheap disposable ones that you throw away, for over $1, $1.50 a piece. We were selling them for between 40 and 50 cents a piece at that time. Then after we made that production, we made a better production, and that was this. This was the resealable poly bag. It's sealed here with some sticky backing, so you can open it and you could reclose it to keep these masks clean. And we had some comments about people really didn't know how to wear a face mask. People were calling and sending emails saying, well, how do I wear it? Which side do I put it on? Because we made the masks solid white. It's 3 layers of solid white. You have the outer layer that is waterproof. You have the melt-blown inner layer, which is the filtration layer. And then you have the back layer, which is an extra soft layer, which is against your skin. So I'm going to take one of these out here so you can see. This also came with the little instructions on the front here, so you could see how to wear the mask, covering your nose and covering under your chin. Our mask also, because of the fabric that we chose, I'll talk about the fit in a minute, this material is softer and lighter weight than most masks that are out there on the market. So it's easier to breathe through this mask without sacrificing any protection. We also made the nose bar, which is metal, slightly longer, and we did that so you can have a better fit across the top of your face and the bridge of your nose, and that eliminates most fogging of glasses. You can't eliminate 100% because that depends on the way the airflow is, but our mask, and this happened accidentally, because of the size we made the mask, which is a little larger than most when you stretch it out, if you can see it right there, and we have this nice stitching all around the corners, all the way around. Because we made the mask a little larger, when you breathe in the mask, your air is sort of forced downward instead of up. A lot of masks that I've tried, actually when you wear it, your breath is forced up, and that's what makes your glasses fog. So this one, your breath is really forced down. So the air is coming out the bottom when you breathe, and your glasses are not fogging up. And I tried my regular glasses and also sunglasses when I was outside walking around New York City in the hot summer, when I had to wear a mask every day outdoors. We also changed the ear loops. We made them a little more comfortable. They're a mixture of cotton and elastin. Now, cotton and elastin is a very popular fabric in men's trousers. A lot of trousers for men that are stretch, I'm sure you heard of stretch cotton, stretch wool. Those are fabrics that have 5% or 3% elastin mixed in with the natural fiber. So we made cotton and elastin ear loops because people were wearing these all day long. They were, wearing one, going in a store, changing, or we had other people that just had to wear it all day, didn't get to change. And a lot of people said, I wear them from other companies and I get redness behind my ears. This doesn't happen with these masks. So, and then we also fixed the problem with the direction to wear the mask. So here you have our logo, Medcom, is sort of embossed right here on the front. I don't know if you can see it, but right here on the front you have the Medcom sort of embossed right there. And that is the front. So for you, it's in the reverse. So to wear the mask is very simple, and I'll put one on right here. You just put it on around your ears. You pull it down in the front, and then you press it against your bridge of your nose and around your cheekbones. And then your glasses sort of sit, right on top because the mask is a little fuller, and you can pull it all the way underneath your chin. Now, when I do go outside, I wear two of them at the moment. If I go into a store or shopping or something like that, or walking on a busy street, I wear two masks. So since our mask is a lighter weight and easier to breathe through, two masks, although it of course makes it a little difficult because you have 6 layers instead of just 3 layers, it's still pretty good because the original single mask is still lighter weight. So I wanted to show you these. We're still selling these on our website. And now since the CDC has come out and spoke about wearing 2 masks, we are selling 2 packages. So you get 2 packages just like this, 30 masks in a pack. So you get a total of 60 masks for the same price as 1 pack. So you pay $12.95 and you get 2 packs. So when you order 1, you're actually going to get 2. If you order 2, you're going to get 4, and so on. There's no limit to as many packs as you need or you want to order. We want to be able to get people what they need, have people be safe, keep their families safe, keep their community safe. And until everyone gets this vaccine, really, not only over the country, but around the world, I think masks are still going to be fairly important to come into close contact with people because we're not going to know who's vaccinated and who isn't. Also on the website, just to show you, we also made masks for kids. So these are good for a child, 9 years old and over, slightly older child, like a tween almost. And we made the two-tone mask. So here you have the same instructions on how to wear the mask properly, but we made one side, the back side, white, the soft side, and the waterproof side blue. Because for a child, they don't want to read which side has the logo or something. They just know blue is on the outside, white is on the inside, and they have the mask in the correct direction. Another thing that we have, 2 more things we have on the website. We have these very nicely made non-contact infrared thermometers. So we sell these. We are the lowest price for this thermometer anywhere on the internet. Even Amazon doesn't have a lower price than we do. These are $19.99, so $20. And does not come with the batteries. I think it takes 2 AAA. But it is a nice, modern, very lightweight, small handheld thermometer. And not only could you use it for your forehead to take temperature of maybe people who are walking in your home, or maybe at work you need to take temperature of people who are coming close to your desk, but you could also use it for food, because sometimes food could be too hot, coffee could be too hot, a soup could be too hot. You point it to the food and it takes the temperature of the food. It has a 32 log memory, so you can keep dates and the memory of certain temperatures you take. And also you can switch it between Fahrenheit and Celsius just with the touch of a button. It has auto off. You just turn it on, you take the temperature, you put it down, and within a minute or so, it shuts itself off to save the battery. So we have these as well on the website, and we sell these quite well. The last thing that we also have some rubber gloves on the website, nitro gloves. Those are very hard to get. We buy those from a distributor. We don't manufacture the nitro gloves or the thermometers like we manufacture the face masks ourselves. And we do still have some nitro gloves, but they're getting extremely expensive and they're very hard to actually keep in stock. Something else that we have, which we had a lot of requests for, was a hand sanitizer. And hand sanitizer that's made in America. This is made in New Jersey. So we get this from a distributor in New Jersey. It's made there. It has the right combination of alcohol that you need to kill bacteria, kill viruses. They come in these small bottles. I think it's $7.50. It also has a moisturizer inside the sanitizer so your hands don't get all chapped and dried out just from using all that alcohol all the time when you're getting in the car, out of the car, or whatever it might be, and you want to use sanitizer on your hands right away. So most importantly though for us is the face mask. This is the pack of masks. There are 30 in a pack. Now you get 2 packs for the same price as this 1 pack. So you get 60 masks for the $12.95. I think it's a fantastic price for the quality of this mask. We made it specially contoured to the face, as you saw when I had it on. It's slightly larger, so you get full coverage. The fabric is lighter, it's easier to breathe through, and it's very, very soft. And we pride ourselves on this type of thing because we manufacture custom-made suits. We know fabric and fit at the factory, and we were able to translate what a suit should feel like and fit like into how a face mask should fit and feel. So hopefully you take a look at those at medicalcommunity.net. You could read the blog also, and you could read reviews from all over the country about how people are loving these face masks that we're making for them. And we have many, many repeat customers, just like we have repeat customers for our clothing. So if you have any questions about this, please put them down in the comments here at the Suit Cafe channel. I'll be sure to answer as many as I can, or I'll answer all of them because I always answer all of them. Check out the Facebook page for medicalcommunity.net. It's at MedComNet on Facebook. We have a lot of interesting articles that you usually don't see about the vaccine and the virus, which are interesting opinions about that. A lot of people go on our Facebook and comment. You know, we all know there's two dichotomies going on about what people think about the virus, what they think about the vaccine. That whole discussion is going on over on our Facebook page. And please subscribe to the Suit Cafe channel so you can see more videos, not only about menswear and men's clothing, and not only more videos about what's happening at medicalcommunity.net, but also some new things we have going on here in the studio, just like the last video we did about the HyperX Quadcast S microphone that we're using here, and this brand new ring light, which we're going to do a video about pretty soon. So we'll see you all again when we're back at it.